And I made millions during the recession. And that's how I was able to get back to realize that once I sold my business in 2014, I sold the jewelry business in 2014. I was retired by the time I was 30 years old. And I went back into real estate development, but I went back where I left off. And that's one of the things that we have to realize, that we don't always have to go back to the beginning, to the humble beginnings. You know, we could start at a different level in our game if certain circumstances change. And that was the exact thing for me, that when I went bankrupt, I was starting to build multi-million-dollar homes. And I always said that when I go back into real estate, I'm going to continue here. So when I was able to sell my jewelry business, I went back into building multi-million-dollar homes.
You know, the nice part about multi-million-dollar homes, you're really playing in a market that, like, the people who have money are still going to be playing in that market. And there's a lot of people that always live at that level regardless of the economy, right? A lot of times those players, during a bad economy, they make even more money.